Drop it.
Unbeatable skin masks for beautiful skin. Many of us spend a thick wad of cash every year on dozens of products in our quest to get beautiful, glowing skin. Not only are these products expensive, but most are also laden with strong chemicals that can have harmful effects in the long run. Try out these homemade beauty masks to get smooth, radiant skin without burning a deep hole in your pocketbook. Method 1. Turmeric and banana mask. Bananas contain potassium and other vitamins that nourish and enrich your skin. They also have a high moisture content that will hydrate dry, dull skin and give it a soft glow. This mask also contains organic turmeric powder that helps eliminate acne with its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps remove dead skin cells and brighten your skin naturally. Things you'll need: banana, nourishes and enriches skin, a half raw honey, acts as humectant, 2 teaspoons organic turmeric powder, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory, 2 teaspoons. Step 1. Combine mashed banana, turmeric powder and honey. Mix turmeric and honey in mashed banana to make face mask for beautiful skin. Add turmeric and honey to mashed banana. Peel and mash half of a ripe banana using a fork. Add 2 teaspoons of organic turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Step 2. Mix well and apply. Apply the face mask for beautiful skin. Apply the mask on your entire face for 20 minutes. Mix the ingredients well using a fork until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Use a cosmetic brush to apply the paste over your entire face as a mask. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Gently pat dry your skin using a soft towel. Method 2. Activated charcoal and clay mask. Activated charcoal powder has strong absorbent properties that make it an excellent remedy for blackheads and acne. This mask is especially recommended for those who have oily skin and suffer from frequent acne breakouts. Things you'll need: natural clay, absorbs excess oil and tightens skin. 1 tablespoon activated charcoal powder, absorbs excess oil and impurities. A half teaspoon raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, acts as astringent. A half teaspoon rose water, tones skin, as required. Step 1. Combine all 4 ingredients. Take clay, activated charcoal, vinegar and rose water in a bowl. Put 1 tablespoon of natural clay in a container. Add a half teaspoon of activated charcoal powder. Add a half teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Finally, add just enough rose water to make a smooth paste. Step 2. Mix well and apply. Form a smooth paste and apply face mask for beautiful skin. Form a smooth paste and apply it on your entire face. Mix the ingredients well using a spatula to get a smooth, consistent paste. Use a cosmetic brush to apply it on your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until the mask dries completely. Afterward, wash it off with cool or lukewarm water and gently pat dry your skin. Method 3. Papaya and banana mask. Papaya contains a natural enzyme called papaya that works to reduce dark spots and remove dead skin cells. It is extensively used in natural remedies to get rid of a suntan and naturally lighten skin. In combination with banana and honey, it works to nourish and rejuvenate dry, dull and damaged skin. Things you'll need: papaya, peeled and seeded, moisturizes and lightens skin. 1 cup banana, nourishes and enriches skin. 1 raw honey, acts as humectant, 2 tablespoons. Step 1. Mash chopped papaya and banana. Mash papaya and banana to make face mask for beautiful skin. Mash papaya and banana in separate bowls. Put about 1 cup of peeled, chopped and seeded papaya fruit in a mixing bowl. Using a fork, mash the pieces into a thick puree. Try to mash as many of the lumps as you can. Peel and chop a ripe banana into another bowl. Mash it too with a fork to get a thick and lump-free pulp. Step 2. Combine the mashed banana and papaya with honey. Combine the 2 pulps and add honey to make face mask for beautiful skin. Combine the 2 pulps and add honey. Add the mashed papaya puree to the mashed banana. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey as well. Step 3. Blend well and apply. Mash papaya and banana to make face mask for beautiful skin. Mash papaya and banana in separate bowls. Put about 1 cup of peeled, chopped and seeded papaya fruit in a mixing bowl. Using a fork, mash the pieces into a thick puree. Try to mash as many of the lumps as you can. Peel and chop a ripe banana into another bowl. Mix well and apply face mask for beautiful skin. Mix well and apply the mask for 15 to 20 minimum using a fork. Mix and mash the 3 ingredients together. Use a cosmetic brush to apply the blend on your skin. Keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water and gently pat dry your skin. Method 4. Honey and oatmeal face scrub. This honey and oatmeal scrub face mask for beautiful skin is especially recommended for those with sensitive skin. Ground oatmeal flour gently exfoliates your skin, while simultaneously soothing irritated skin. Things you'll need: ground oatmeal flour, soothes and gently exfoliates skin, 2 tablespoons raw honey, acts as humectant, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, contains vitamin E, 1 tablespoon. Step 1. Combine oatmeal, honey and sweet almond oil. Take oatmeal, honey and sweet almond oil to make face mask for beautiful skin. Take oatmeal, honey and sweet almond oil in a bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Add 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil as well. Step 2. Mix well and apply. Mix well, apply and scrub face mask for beautiful skin. Mix well, apply and scrub your face with the paste. Mix the ingredients well. Use a cosmetic brush to apply the scrub on your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then gently scrub it around your face in circular motions for 2 minutes. Wash your face with warm water and gently pat dry your skin. Method 5. Coffee mask. Coffee and cocoa are often combined with milk to create some of life's most sinful pleasures. Similarly, mixing these 3 rich ingredients together in a face mask for beautiful skin will give you spectacular results. Things you'll need: unsweetened whole milk, nourishes and lightens skin, 1 tablespoon. Step 1. Combine coffee, cocoa and milk. Take ground coffee, cocoa powder and milk to make face mask for beautiful skin. Take ground coffee, cocoa powder and milk in a bowl. Put a half tablespoon of ground organic coffee beans in a mixing bowl. If you can't find it in the store, just grind some organic coffee beans in your regular grinder. Add a half tablespoon of organic, unsweetened cocoa powder as well. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened whole milk, or use almond milk if you are a vegan. Step 2. Mix well and apply. Mix well and apply the face mask for beautiful skin. Mix well and apply the mask to get blemish-free skin. Mix everything together into a uniform blend. Using a cosmetic brush, apply the mixture over your entire face. Let it sit for about 20 minutes or until it dries completely. Afterward, rinse it off with cool or lukewarm water and gently pat dry your face.